Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. And we also enter our projects into hashtag Satmorn Makes. This week's theme for hashtag Two Crafters One Design is Jill's Joyful Heart. So this week, Gloria, myself, and Lisa, we're focusing on using the Snow Angel, but you're more than welcome to use either stamp set. Let me get the other products that I use as well. Okay, here are the additional items that I'm using from Impression Obsession. I am using this die here, square frame die. Cards TV stamps. I will be using Reach for the Stars, and it's called It's All Good. For my creative time, I'm using this small bow here, really cute. It's called Assorted Mini Bows. I'm using a few of the stars from here, and they are Prim stars. And then from my creative time, once again, I am using a couple dies from there. I think it's this one and maybe that one. Or this one, something like that. Actually, I think it's all three. And my creative time, and this was from her recent release. I am using this set right here. And then I've also used a glimmer machine, and I'm using Winter Wishes. My creative time, once again, I'm using these square tag dies. Love these dies, I don't use them enough. And then also the rectangle frame die layers. And if you'd like to use my code MOE for 10% off your total purchase or 15% off on release weekends, you may do so. I wanted to give you a few options to use her stamp sets, and I mainly focused on these, but I did use her as well. But I mainly focused on the star, the heart, and this one here. So I want to show you those. So what I did was I just stamped out the stars around that base there, that little background base, and I colored them up using my Copics. And then I got that star die and popped that down because I thought they both looked almost the same. So they're both Prim hearts. So thought I would use that and put Reach for the Stars on there. And then there goes the inside of that. So really like how that turned out. And then for this one, really like this idea here where she used that little tree with that star, and then you can stamp any of these words in there like joy, love, peace. And then the other thing I thought about, on the back side of the card, you can even just stamp that and put your name across there. I really like how this turned out. I did add some iridescent spray on there as well. Used my Copics to color up that star, and then the other pieces I just used oxide ink to stamp it out in two different colors. So those are the first two items. And then the next three, I made 3x3 cards. I love that little heart. It is just adorable. I love it. And so anyways, I popped it down on that Impression Obsession die, and then I used the My Creative Time tag die and her bows. And then look at that heart. It is so pretty. I did ink it up with Copics again. I also used some gel pen just to put on top of that, and I added love there. But I wanted it in red and white because Valentine's Day is right around the corner. But I thought that was just so cute. I didn't finish off the inside. Not sure if I will because they're smaller cards, but they're really cute. And then I just interchanged the colors there. But look at that. Isn't that cute? I love that. And then look at that one. That's too cute. The last card, I am using her Snow Angel. And I wanted her to be like peeking out a window or something, but instead I used the Polaroid frame, and I thought that was good too. Now what I did do, and I forgot to get the die, it was a piece from the top of a hat from one of the gingerbreads, and I just cut it down and popped that little piece there and added a bow and a little top for her little, like fuzzball that would be up there. Anyways, that's what I did. And then I also added a heart down here and then colored up her face, and I paper pieced the rest of her there. But I thought she was adorable, and I did use that frame die from My Creative Time and add a little bit of accents on there. And I got the paper from this cozy Christmas pack there, and I thought that was perfect. And I don't know where I got those from. I think those may have been cut out already and I just nabbed them, but I think they are from My Creative Time as well. And then there goes the inside, and like I said, I had put my stamp on the back side of that, and I wanted to use that other one, her little stamp, to add on the back side and just write my name in, but I didn't. But anyways, I thought those were so cute. And those are my projects for hashtag 2 Crafters 1 Design and Jillian Norwood's Joyful Heart Stamps. So make sure you join in with us this week and support Jill Norwood. I know I've seen a lot of things out there that were made with the snowman, and hopefully we will all flood her timeline with her items. All right, so that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.